Today's topic is verb. Okay, so first about I tell about what's a verb. Verb is the action word. Action word. That's a basic information. We can say that's a basic definition of verb. Action word. But in reality, when we about a higher level, the verb is also static verbs. There is no action. Dynamic verb, feelings, express feelings, possessions. That's a many type of verbs. Also possessions. And I completed the type of verb. First off, we tell the transitive verb, transitive, and intransitive verb. Everybody knows that what's transitive and transitive?
Yes, sir.
Already completed. Any doubt? No doubt. Okay. And second half we completed modal verb. There is any problem? Any student what's modal verb? Modal verb is verb that's only work auxiliary verb. Only work auxiliary verb and always used with main verb. Okay, the verb that use except tense, not present, not past. Okay, that verb is called modal verb. Any doubt? Okay, and also called and that's a type transitive and intransitive completed, and further finite and non-finite. Finite verb and non-finite verb. And another name of non-finite verb is advanced verb. Advanced verb. That's a very important. Advanced verb. This one is completed already, and this one is carry on the class. First is gerund. What is gerund? What is gerund? वर्ब की ing फॉर्म को हम लोग gerund बोलते हैं एंड वर्क एज अ नाउन. gerund किसका काम करती है? नाउन का. बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोगों ने इसमें पढ़ ली है ऑलरेडी. कह सकते हैं ये कंप्लीट है. एंड सेकंड पार्ट इज infinitive. Infinitive, there is two type of infinitive. Full infinitive and where infinitive. Full infinitive is 2 plus verb की first form and where infinitive only verb की first form. This one also completed and that one also completed. सारा कंप्लीट हो गया. नेक्स्ट जो हम लोगों को आज पढ़ना है वो पढ़ना है पार्टिसिपल. क्या पढ़ना है? पार्टिसिपल. एनी डाउट? दिस इज द होल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, डन. ओके, नाउ वी कंटिन्यू द पार्टिसिपल. ओके, कैन आई इरेज?
Yes, sir.
Participle. What is the definition of participle? Anybody can tell me what's the definition of participle without seeing note? What is the participle? Participle is the form of verb. Listen to me carefully. Participle is the form of verb which can express as an adjective and as a verb also. Partially adjective, partially verb. Any doubt? आप कह सकते हैं ये क्या है? Partially. Partially. Adjective and partially verb. What mean partially? Partially मतलब 50-50. Okay? Partially मतलब कुछ हिस्सा ये, कुछ हिस्सा ये. Okay? Okay. How many types of participle? Times. How many types of? There are 3 types of participle. Present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Future participle नहीं होता. Future कोई tense नहीं होता. Already tell about what is future. Future is only imagination and the verb, helping verb used in future as a model verb, not a main verb. जो model verb होती है वो tense में कभी आती ही नहीं. Okay? इसलिए future को हम लोग tense नहीं मानते. Tense केवल 2 होते हैं, present and past. Okay? Okay. तो first is present participle. Present participle. Another one is past participle. Past participle. And the last one is perfect participle. Perfect participle. Present participle. What is the present participle? The first form of verb adding ing form is called